Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. The today class, we learn about the highest common factors. So what is this highest common factor? That is we are calling as HCF. So in a previous class you have learned about the factors and common factor. The today class you can learn HCF. Before that you have to learn the common factor. So in the previous class you learned about the common factor. So what is the common factor is if two or more numbers have the same numbers as their factors, those factors are called as a common factors. So what is the highest common factor? The highest common factor is nothing but the highest common factor of the two or more given number is the highest of their common factors. So you can find it the HCF in a common method. So that is you can find out the highest common factors of here 15 and 25. So what we have to know before? We have to know before what are the factors of 15 and 25. The first one is the factors of 15. So 1 into 15 and 3 into 5. So now what are the factors of 15 or? The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. These are all factors of 15. So now what are the factors of 25? So factors of 25. So how you can call it as these are the factors which are the exact divisor of the given number. This 25 is exactly divisible by 1, 5 and 25. So we are calling as these are all called as a factors. Now what are the factors of 25? 1, 5, 25. Here identify the common factors. Which are the common factors here? You just identify in the factors of 15 and 25. In the factors of 15 and 25, the common factors are 1 and 5. So largest of the common factors is the HCF of the given number. So in a common factor 1 and 5, which is the highest factor? The highest factor is 5. Now what is the HCF of 5 is the HCF of 15 and 25 is 5. So which is the highest of the in the given common factor that is HCF. Another one example I have taken here, find the HCF of 6 and 12 and 18. So what you have to find first? First you have to find the factors, right? So what are the factors of 6? The factors of 6, you first find it. The next factors of 12, next factors of 18. In factors of 6, 12 and 18, which are the common factor? You have to find it the next one. So first one is the factors of 6 or 1, 2, 3, 6. The next, the factors of 12. So which are the factors of 12? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So now what are the factors of 12? Just you write it 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now write the factors of 18. Now what are the factors of 18? So this is a pair of factors. 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6. Now what are the factors of 18 or 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. So these are all are called as a factors, right? So you already find out here factors of 6, factors of 12 and factors of 18. In the factors of 6, 12, 18, which are the common factors? The common factors are 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common and 9 is common in all these factors. Now common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. In these common factor, which is the highest common factor? So which is the highest one here? These all the factors, 6 is the highest. So 6 is called as a HCF of 6, 12, and 18. So 1 is always a common factor of the numbers. So this is a common method. The another one method, you can find it the HCF by the prime factorization method. So that is here by the division method. So here you can find out the HCF by the prime factorization by using the prime numbers to factorize the given number. So first step is find the prime factors of the given numbers by the repeated division method. First, so 32, find the prime factorization for 32. So 32, it can divisible by the very smallest prime number here, that is 2 here. 2 into 16 is 32. The 16 is again divisible by 2. Then 8, it is also again divisible by 2. Then 4 it is also again divisible by 2. The next, so what is the prime factorization now? The prime factorization now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This 32, it is the divisible by the prime number, that is 2 here. The prime factorization of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The next one is find the prime factorization by division method, by repeated division method, that is 24 is 2 into 12. The again 12, it is also divisible by 2, that is 2 into 6. The next 2 into 3. So 3, it can divisible by the prime number 3 only. The next 3 into 1. So now what is the factorization? The factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So now what is the factorization? This is factorization. What is the next step? Circle the common prime factors of the given numbers. So in these prime factors, which are the common factors, you find it. So 2, 2, 2. So 2, it is a common factor, right? So now here in these common factors, what is the HCF is? The HCF is the product of the common prime factors of the number. It gives the highest common factors. Now 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. So by the same method, you can find out the HCF by the prime factorization method, that is the division method. First is to find the HCF of 44, 77 and 110. So you have to find it first prime factorization. That prime factorization of 44 is 2 into 2 into 11. The prime factorization of 77 is 7 into 11. And prime factorization of 110 is 2 into 5 into 11. So here, which are the common factors? You round it. So which is 2 is not common in all, and you just check it. In the next 11 it is common in all the 3 factorization. So now find the HCF. What is the HCF of 44, 77 and 110 is equals to the 11. This is called as a HCF by the prime